So, just filming the stove, the fire pit that we used, which is, it's completely lost one of its legs, and there's another one that's wobbly. It's just melted, and that's after just 4 nights, sorry, of use. So we're going to be going back to our old faithful fire pit. This Grillput, I think it was Grillput, not very good at all. And as you can see, it's also distorted. So our other fire pit had distorted over the years, but because it's heavier than this one, so it's going to take a bit more of a beating, but it worked every time and it was perfect. So yeah, it was good to try this, but didn't quite work for us. The tripod, fantastic, worked a treat. The grill was okay, but the legs could be longer, so back to the drawing board with those.
Adjustable.
I think
Adjustable.
Adjustable what?
Legs.
What?
On the grill.
On the grill?
Yeah, adjustable legs.
Okay. I don't know how they do that though, babe, to be honest.
Well, the same way as you can adjust anything.
Yeah, but that would make it heavier, and it wouldn't...
Well, you could have put... No, you just put like rivets on it and just so you could screw it on.
Yeah, you could do it as screw-ons, yeah. Good point. Yeah, so this one is going to be... we're not even going to bother taking this home with us because it's not usable. It's really only got 2 legs now because, let me show you. So this one, gone completely gone. Yeah. This one is about to go. That one's okay. And that one's wobbly as well. So, not really safe. Not as far as fire is concerned. You want safety when you buy something. Luckily Ian's an experienced fireman. Not a fireman, but a fireman. So, you know, as in, he's in charge of the fire when we're camping. Would you say this is safe, Ian? I wouldn't say it's very safe if it loses its legs like that. That's not good at all.
Well, I wouldn't say it was unsafe. I mean, I don't think it's very... I mean, it does its job. I mean, you could use it again. Well, that's quite good that it's gone back now.
Yeah, but it's not good that it's...
Yeah,
it's about to lose 3 of its leg. Well, it's lost 1 and it's about to lose the other, you know, another 2. So it doesn't get it off the ground.
Yeah, you'd be better off with like a little frame around it or something that so it sits about that high. It folds out like that.
Yeah.
Frame around it here.
Yeah. And that's only after 3 nights. So,
yeah.
Not impressed. I'm not impressed with that at all. Considering our other one had done multiple camps since 2012. Yeah. So, yeah. Okay, thought I'd share that with you guys. The grill, like I say, the grill was okay. Nah. But the tripod, amazing. Did exactly what it said on the tin. So, yeah. The tent's been amazing these past few days, considering the battering it took last night in that storm. I did peg out all the guys though, in anticipation, so clearly I was being told to do that. Look at the misty rolling South Downs. The mist has come back again. So yesterday we walked that path there. all the way up that tree line, which disappears into the clouds. So yeah, pretty amazing. Amazing few days. Amazing tent, which I'm not going to replace this anytime soon. I've got some mends to do, but this is an outstanding tent. And if any of you are wondering what the tent is, it's a Hooley 3 ETC, and we bought this back in 2014 because our old one wasn't big enough for us and the dog, because he takes up quite a bit of space, does our Smurf. Yeah, we bought this one. It's only, to be honest, when we bought it, it was about £350, something like that. 300, 350, something like that. And you can actually buy it now. Lots of places have got tents on sale, even though it's peak season at the moment. Wow Camping is one. Alpine Kit. It's either Alp Kit or Alpine Kit. I've got a massive sale on at the moment as well. You can pick this up for £350. If you look around, you can pick it up for £350, which is an amazing price for this tent still. And so this has been going nearly 10 years. It's 9th year this year. I think there's only been 1 year where we didn't use it, possibly, in that time. But it gets regular, it gets nick waxed every year. I did some repairs on it, just on where the, like there for example, did it. Ooh, doesn't want to focus. I did some repairs on there. I've got to do some repairs on this bit here, on these bits, all the way along on the front of the bedroom. The back of the bedroom's alright, but there's a lot of tension on these bits. So I've just got to fix those. And a couple of other little mends, nothing major. It's a perfect tent, it's brilliant, I love it. And the vestibule in here is huge. So we can comfortably sit 3 people in this vestibule when it's pissing down with rain, and we did that quite a lot when we were camping with Henry, because he's, you know, family camp and all that. You know, we'd be sitting here, it's pissing down with rain. Dog's had a good time, haven't you, Smurf? Have you had fun camping? He's been doing lots of rolling about on the grass and scratching and eating of sausages. Do you like sausages, Smurf? Do you like sausages? They have to be Linda McCartney's originals though. He doesn't like any other ones. Has to be those ones. Isn't that right, doggo? Little blessy dog. Little blessy dog. Yeah, good boy. You good boy. Oh yeah. I've got nothing for you. You've had all you're going to have today, mister. Now get your nose out of there. You funny doggo. Yeah, so I think that's all I need to say. And Smurf says exactly the same, isn't that right? Absolutely. Speak. Speak for mummy. Speak. Good boy. Oh, you're so Bobby. And on that note, I'm going to end, because I think it might start raining again. So until the next one, stay fearless.